Hey guys, welcome to Nugget. I own a Bajaj Avenger 150 Street from last 6 months. So today I'm gonna share about my personal life experience reviews about this bike. So today I'm gonna tell you about the engine performance, about the ride control of this bike. Is it good enough for hilly areas? Is it good for long rides? Yes, I'm gonna tell you this. Or the main thing is that, main theme of our video is that I'm gonna tell you, is it worth to buy this bike in 2017 or not? So let's get started, guys. So guys, let's talk about looks. Isn't it seems like Harley? Yes, it is. Firstly, talk about this handle. It's just so awesome. We can talk about fuel tank, fuel capacity. So Bajaj Avenger 150 Street comes with 40 liters capacity, and we have 3.5 liters of reserve capacity. If we talk about this mirror, this is not a company fitted accessory. This is not a company fitted accessory. I like it, so I buy it on my personal basis. Let's talk about ground clearance. It comes with 169 mm ground clearance, as you see. But I want something more. Maybe 180 mm, 170 mm, something more I want. So guys, according to me, the big disadvantage of this bike is that it doesn't carry any kickstart. It doesn't carry any kick. We don't have a kick. In hilly areas like Himachal Pradesh, like in winters, we need a kick. We need a kickstart. So something I want from the company, a kick. So guys, it's time to talk about something important. Something very important related to the bike. That is engine performance. That is the capacity of engine. So here we go. As the name mentioned, 150 Street. This bike comes with a 150cc engine with 14 bhp. Actually, the engine is 149cc. It's okay. So sometime guys, when we are on highways, we are on hilly areas on this bike. We need some extra power. We feel we need some extra power. When we are riding over 75 or over 80, I think here is the main disadvantage. We need approximately 200cc engine at that time. The power, little more power required. This is the drawback, you can say, from the Bajaj side. So this is the thing we required. But if we talk about its price, it's quite enough. It's quite enough in this price. Company will give you a Avenger look. So that's okay, I can say. Now if we talk about comfort level, as you can see, comfort level. Yeah, awesome. As the tagline is, feel like God. Really? Feeling like God, guys! Comfort level, I will give 9 out of 10. So, as the company say, this bike is meant for the people with short height. With, not maximum height. They really get it. As you see, my height, that's why I bought it. This bike suits best to the people with short height. Very comfortable, very comfortable. So, front suspension is telescopic with anti-friction bushes, and rear suspension comes up with twin shock absorbers. That's good enough. And if we talk about brakes, front brake is a disc brake. Front brake comes up with a disc brake, and rear brake is a drum brake. From here, you can see it's a drum brake. Brakes, quite enough, guys. Guys, as you know, in India, the main thing which we want is budget and mileage. People of India needs a good budget and a mileage. So this bike will give approximately 39 to 38 kilometers average in these roads. Company claims around about 45, but in actuality is 38 to 39. And if we talk about its price, so the basic price, the ex-showroom price of daily of this bike is 74,000. But if you want to buy it on road, approx 84 to 85,000 you have to give. As we said in the starting, is it worth to buy this bike in 2017 or not? Now here we come. It is the conclusion, guys. Here we come. Is it worth to buy this bike in 2017 or not? Yes, I recommend you all, guys, in the city areas. Go for it, guys. Go for it. But I do not recommend for those who want long rides, who want to go hilly areas. This is quite not enough for that. But if you want to ride it on city areas, on plain areas, guys, with no doubts, go for it. So guys, if you like our video, don't forget to like it, share it, or if any suggestion if you want to do, please comment. And don't forget to subscribe our channel, Team Nogget.